So hello everybody and welcome to now our little workout that we're going to do as part of our physical activity week. Now I've broken this down into just 3 workouts, and what I'm going to do is just teach the basic principles of them, and then you can add in your own exercise or the length of time that you want to do them. So the 3 things we're going to look at is called an EMOM, which is every minute on the minute. We're going to look at an AMRAP, which is as many rounds as possible. And then finally, we're going to look at a TABATA session, which is a little bit more intense. So the first one we're going to do is an EMOM, which is every minute on the minute. All that means is we're going to pick for this one 4 exercises that we're going to do for a prescribed number of reps. And when we reach them reps, we rest for the rest of the time until the next minute starts. So, for example, we're going to do 20 squats. If it takes us 40 seconds to do 20 squats, then we rest for 20 seconds, and then we start our next exercise, which is going to be 10 press-ups. Whatever length of time we finish our press-ups, we wait until that minute's up. Then we're going to go into a lunge, so 20 lunges, and again, whatever length of time that takes us. Finally, finishing with a plank reach. So those exercises again we're going to do is a squat, so our feet are going to be hip width apart. You can try it now along with me. So we squat down and come up, so down and up is our squat. The next one is our press up. So we're in our press up position, and we go press down and up. Then we're going to be into our lunge. So again, just to show you from this angle, it's knee nearly touching the ground, chest is up tall and back, and then finally back to the ground for our plank reach. So we're in a plank position, we reach your hand out in front and back in. Okay? So we'll do it with us. What I'm going to do is we're doing 20 of exercise, 20 of our squats and lunges, and we're doing 10 of our press-ups and plank touches. So we'll start with 20 squats, and we're going for how quick we can get them done in say 1 minute. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, go. We're still going to keep it controlled as we go along. So there's 2, good. 3, 4, 5, brilliant. 6, 7, 8, good work. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, excellent, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Brilliant, line 1, that was 40 seconds. So now I have 20 seconds left before I can do 10 press-ups. 10 seconds left. You can do your press-ups on the ground, against the wall, or on the chair as well. So even if against the wall, you can do it, or on the ground. We're going in 3 seconds. To your press-up position, wherever one you're going to do it on, and go. So 10 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. You keep going. If you're taking a little bit longer, that's fine. You still got a good 30 seconds left. So when you're doing your press-ups, you can do it against the wall, on the floor, on the ground. And after a while, if you keep repeating these rounds, you're going to need that rest. Good. You have 20 seconds left. If you're feeling okay, you can maybe bring in a little bit of movement, like star jumps between each of the minutes, or when the minute finishes off, and you just keep moving. So you keep moving. We still have 5 seconds left into our next one, which is going to be our lunge. Ready and go. So step back into your lunge. We're doing a reverse lunge this time. So back into your lunge. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, good. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Brilliant, well done. Again, in 20 seconds, you can bring any movement, you can jog in a spot, you can do star jumps, or you can take a rest. It's entirely up to you. 10 seconds, we're into our last exercise, which is plank reaches. So in our plank position, and we're reaching our hand forward. Brilliant for the belt and the core. We ready? On we go. So lift the hand up, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, good, 10, good, and relax. Well done. Again, around 20 seconds for that. Now what you're going to do is you can repeat that same thing. So whenever the minute comes up now, that'll be 4 minutes, then you go straight back into your 20 squats. Wait for your minute, do your 10 press-ups, wait till the minute's finished, back into your lunge, wait till the minute finished, and then plank reach. So I'm going to stop it there because I want to show you the other types of exercises we're doing. But if you want to pause the video now and maybe add in another set, another 2 sets, you go ahead. So you can try it now by doing your 20 squats, 10 press-ups, 20 lunges, and 20 plank reaches. So give it a go if you want to continue on. So the next one we're going to try is an AMRAP. Now an AMRAP is as many rounds as possible. So like the last one, or unlike the last one, where we stopped for a period of time to rest, in an AMRAP, you have no rest. You do your exercises and you keep repeating around. So again, for this one, I have picked 4 exercises. So this one now is called an AMRAP, which stands for as many rounds as possible. Now again, for this one I picked 4 exercises, a little bit different. And the good thing with these, you can choose any exercise you want. The difference between an EMO, every minute on the minute, and an AMRAP is with an AMRAP, you do as many rounds as you can in an allocated time. So for this one, we're only going to do 2 minutes work, and we're going to keep continuously working for 2 minutes. You may want to do this for 10 minutes, for 8 minutes. You can choose, and you can choose the exercises. I'm going to give you 4 different exercises. So the first one we're going to do is a lateral lunge, where we step to the side like a lateral lunge. The next one I'm going to do is a single leg RDL. So go down and touch, come up, down and touch. The next one then we are going to do is a sit-up, so we're on the ground. You can place your hands to your knees, your fingers going past your knee, going past your knees. And then the last one, bit of extra work, is just a burpee. When we go down to the ground and we come back up. Now if you struggle with any of those exercises, you pick an exercise that fits you and just stick within the time frame of 2 minutes. So you can pick all 4 exercises, you can do 1 or 2. So let's try it along with myself. We're going to do 6 each side of our lateral lunge and our RDLs. Then we're going to do 10 sit-ups and 5 burpees. Okay? So are we ready? So I'm going to set the watch time for 2 minutes. 3, 2, 1, and lateral lunge for 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Other leg now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. A bit of balance now with single leg RDLs. You can hold on to some on the side if you want. So you put the ground for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leg off your hands there, and 6. Then we go with the other leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Down now into sit-ups, 10 sit-ups. Okay, we ready? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then we're going to go into 5 burpees. So go down the ground and up. For 1, good, down, and jump up. For 2, down, jump up. For 3, down, jump up. For 4, down, jump up. For 5, well done. So we keep going now. So we go lateral lunges. So we'll keep with 1 minute 40 seconds going already. Now I'm only doing it for 2 minutes this time. Okay, you can continue this on for 4 minutes, 8 minutes, whatever you like. So that's 6 one side, 6 the other. We've only 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Now again, I'm only showing you as an example. If you want, you can get a good workout on this by increasing the time, changing your exercises. You could keep going, pausing this as we go along. So that's 2 exercises now done, or 2 types of exercises. Every minute on the minute, we work for a period of time and rest until the top minute. And you go to the next exercise, to an AMRAP, as many rounds as possible for a longer period of time. So it could be 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 8 minutes, 15, 20 minutes if you want. The last one. We're going to work this one now for 2 minutes again. This is called a TABATA. So in a TABATA, what we're doing is we're working for 20 seconds and you rest for 10 seconds. Now I'm going to pick 2 exercises here. We're going to do what we call power lunge, or squat jump, the power lunge. So you squat jump. If you have any problem with your knees or your hips, don't jump. So here you jump. If you get any problem with your knees, hips, or ankles, you can just come up on your tiptoes. Then you're going to go power lunge. You go power lunge, power lunge. If you want, you can just reverse lunge again. Then I want you to try just standing mountain climbers. You get your hands above your head and you come right down. So when we have enough of that, we're going to go for 20 seconds on and rest for 10 seconds before we go into our next exercise. Alright? Again, we normally do this for 4 minutes. I'm only going to do it for 2 minutes today just to show you, and then you can decide if you want to carry on, or even if you want to go back over these and use these as a guide. This is what this is for you to continue this anytime. You add it into your programming, do it throughout the day in the house. Maybe you're waiting for the kettle to boil, push out one of these, as long as you're moving every single day. So 2 minutes, okay? So first one, we're going to do squat into power lunge, 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. So squat, power lunge. So you keep going for 20 seconds. So squat, power lunge. That's brilliant. 10 seconds gone. So you keep working on this. Good. So keep going. Good. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Excellent. 10 seconds rest, and then you're standing mountain climbers. You can do this, we can continue the same exercise all the time if you want. Ready and go. So keep going. So get those knees right up. Keep yourself moving. Keep yourself working. That's good. Keep going. Good. You have 5 seconds left. Good work. 3, 2, 1, and relax it. Super. Next one now is we're going to go straight back into your squat, power lunge. Ready and go. So squat, power lunge. Squat, power lunge. Squat, power lunge. Squat, power lunge. Squat. Good. Keep going. Come on. We got this. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. We have one more exercise left. Normally I would recommend doing Tabata for 4 minutes. If you want to continue on after this, you keep it going. Ready? And go. Stand by climbers. Let's go. Get those knees up. Get yourself working. Good. Super work. Keep going, keep going. Excellent. Into there. Into there. Come on. 10 seconds, rest, and relax. Good. I'm nearly going to let you work on there. So if you want to continue on, you can go back to squat, power down to power down. You can do it now. You go for 20 seconds. But guys, it was only just a quick sample here to show you how easy it is to design a home workout. You could do any of those 3 things every minute on the minute. You can work a little bit probably more on your strength, keeping your heart rate up with your AMRAP, and really working on high intense areas doing your Tabata. So try out any of those 3, try them out together, come up with your own exercises, come up with your own length of time, and just give it a go. And remember, move every single day. Thank you so much, and I shall see you on Friday for a webinar where you can ask me any question you want in terms of all we've looked at, especially for physical activity. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.